I'd just started in the role of food poverty coordinator, and I saw an opportunity to bring together different people in the food world into this sort of like training, learning, development space. So when I found out about the programme, I reached out to other people that were in the community to try and see if we could get a network of people that were local to our area involved.
As being a nutritionist, I was naturally drawn to this programme, and it came at a really good time for me because of the work that I was doing in Bury. It fitted in perfect. It was perfect timing actually.
We have something called Food Share, which sits slightly above emergency food provision as in food bank, and it is taking short dated supermarket stock and giving it out to the community, again to the families that are dropping into poverty and to our older generations, and it's just used as a doorstep, not a chance to get to know people. So the idea of taking this and expanding that through a My Food community just seemed like the perfect transition. So it was absolutely the right thing for us to do at Calder Community Cares.
I'm quite new to my role in my community, and it was just a really nice chance to be able to start to connect with other people, not just UK-wide but also some of my neighbouring projects in South Wales, which was really important to me.
So I'd done some work with Food for Life already. We'd been part of a giveaway where we grew loads of vegetables and gave them away to people in lockdown when they were locked into their houses, and through that we met some other organisations, and the idea that we could be part of a bigger network and connect with other people across the country that were also doing food growing.
To broaden my horizons, to give me some sort of substance behind what I was doing. I'm not a food education trained teacher in a primary school, and I think it was to learn and develop myself as a person in leadership skills. That was something else that motivated me to become part of it.
I think it was to keep connected. I think because I've been very localised, our area is kind of disconnected with food and good food as well. And with us now being certified organic, I was kind of keen to really stay on that kind of movement of good food. So it was me bringing national awareness more onto a local level. That's what encouraged me. And from a personal level, I wanted to be around people who were like-minded people, who were thinking the same and had a shared vision and a kind of shared goal. So from a personal perspective during lockdown, it really helped me stay focused.